Hello guys, this is Aarthi from S. Kumar Views and I welcome you all to this session. I have created many popular courses on our channel. You will want to develop a cool project after learning the basics. All you have to do is hit the subscribe button and the bell down below so you don't miss any of our new lessons, and don't forget to share this into your friends. Today we are going to see some of the Python interview questions for freshers.
What is the difference between xrange and range in Python?
Xrange and range are quite similar in terms of functionality. They both generate a sequence of integers, with the only difference that range returns a Python list, whereas xrange returns an xrange object. So how does that make a difference? It sure does, because unlike range, xrange doesn't generate a static list, it creates the value on the go. This technique is commonly used with an object type generator and has been termed as yielding. Yielding is crucial in applications where memory is a constraint. Creating a static list as in range can lead to a memory error in such conditions, while xrange can handle it optimally by using just enough memory for the generator, significantly less in comparison. Note that xrange has been deprecated as of Python 3.x. Now range does exactly the same as what xrange used to do in Python 2.x, since it was way better to use xrange than the original range function in Python 2.x.
What is pickling and unpickling?
Python library offers a feature serialization out of the box. Serializing an object refers to transforming it into a format that can be stored, so as to be able to deserialize it later on to obtain the original object. Here, the pickle module comes into play. Pickling is the name of the serialization process in Python. Any object in Python can be serialized into a byte stream and dumped as a file in the memory. The process of pickling is compact, but pickle objects can be compressed further. Moreover, Pickle keeps track of the objects it has serialized, and the serialization is portable across versions. The function used for the above process is pickle.dump. Unpickling is the complete inverse of pickling. It deserializes the byte stream to recreate the object stored in the file and loads the object to memory. The function used for the above process is pickle.load. Note that Python has another, more primitive, serialization module called Marshal, which exists primarily to support .pyc files in Python and differs significantly from the pickle.
What are generators in Python?
Generators are functions that return an iterable collection of items, one at a time, in a set manner. Generators, in general, are used to create iterators with a different approach. They employ the use of yield keyword rather than return to return a generator object. Let's try and build a generator for Fibonacci numbers as seen in the screen.
What is PYTHONPATH in Python?
PythonPath is an environment variable which you can set to add additional directories where Python will look for modules and packages. This is especially useful in maintaining Python libraries that you do not wish to install in the global default location.
What is the use of help and dir functions?
Help function in Python is used to display the documentation of modules, classes, functions, keywords, etc. If no parameter is passed to the help function, then an interactive help utility is launched on the console. Dir function tries to return a valid list of attributes and methods of the object it is called upon. It behaves differently with different objects, as it aims to produce the most relevant data, rather than the complete information. For modules or library objects, it returns a list of all attributes contained in that module. For class objects, it returns a list of all valid attributes and base attributes. With no arguments passed, it returns a list of attributes in the current scope. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.